Hi, if you want to use your S Pen as a camera remote control on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then you will need to open Settings, go in the Advanced Features tab. Here select your S Pen and after that go in the Air Actions. So here you just need to check this press and hold pen button feature. You need to set it up for the camera like I did, and after that you can check the app actions if you just open camera. So here you can see some short instructions how to use your S Pen as a remote control. For example, a single press on the button will take a picture or record video. Double press will switch cameras, and here you can check some of the gestures. So the button is located right here on your S Pen. And let's test it. I'm gonna press and hold the button to open camera. And now let's switch from the selfie mode to the regular camera by double tapping this button. And here it is. Now to take a photo, we just need to press this button once and the photo will be taken. To take burst shot photo, you just need to hold the button and the series of photos will be taken immediately. Great. Now let's test some gestures. For example, let's switch between those modes. For that, I'm just gonna swipe slightly left and we can do the reverse thing, just slightly swipe right. And don't forget to press your button during these gestures. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.